I think we are recording. So hello साथीहरु, how are you all? I hope you are fine and I am fine as well. अनि आजको भिडियो चाहिँ मैले किन बनाएको भन्दाखेरि सो आजसम्म जति पनि Laravel सिक्यो, I think that is the end for the Laravel. Laravel को लागि चाहिँ the end नै भइसकेको छ, because I want to learn a new stack. अनि म Laravel मा पनि कति कुराहरु चित्त बुझिरहेको थिएँ. फर एक्जाम्पल राउटिङ, एउटा बेसिक प्रोजेक्ट बनाउँदा पनि त्यति धेरै 60-70 लाइन राउटिङ भइसक्थ्यो. बट Laravel gave me a lot. Laravel धेरै कुरा सिकायो, लाइक टेलविन्ड, लाइक बुटस्ट्र्याप अलि इन्हान्स गर्यो. That's why there are other many reasons as well. So for example, I could not find a job related to Laravel in my hometown, which is also one of the reason. So I will be shifting to Django. म चाहिँ Django मा शिफ्ट हुँदैछु and I will be learning Django. I'm live stream गर्ने हाल्छु, म live stream गर्ने हाल्छु. That's the way I learn. And I will be learning React.js, Next.js, TypeScript, and many more things in the following days. So yeah, I just came here to announce this, that अब चाहिँ Laravel को चाहिँ भिडियोहरु आउँदैन, केही समयले आउँदैन. I mean मुड चल्यो भने if I am to do small project, सानो प्रोजेक्टहरु गर्नु पर्यो भने I will do it. Otherwise Laravel को भिडियो चाहिँ आउँदैन. Now we will never know. तर अहिले केही समयको लागि चाहिँ 5 महिना 6 महिना 3-4 महिना 5 महिना 6 महिनासम्म चाहिँ Laravel को भिडियो आउँदैन. So this is the huge change I am doing in my career, that shifting from Laravel to Django. I hope what happens, के हुन्छ I don't know, but let's see के हुन्छ हेरौं. So that's it, त्यही भन्नु थियो. So subscribe and support